Hi guys, this is a video for UCOF's second crappy competition. Now the idea here is that I'm picking up this lock. It's a standard lock that UCOF has sent me. I'm going to do that on camera. I'll then return the component parts to UCOF and he will modify it in unspeakable and evil ways and then send it back. And then I'll have a second attempt at picking it. For now though, this is just the standard lock, so let's get on and get this open. Didn't come with a key. And it's a 6-pin green tech. It should be quite an interesting comparison, this, because these green techs are, I won't say they're easy, but they're not known to be for being tough to pick. I think there's a couple of spools in here that need to get around. Other than that though, they're just they're good fun locks to pick. Looking for a full set. Is taking my time a bit. Never mind. Ooh, easy does it. Well, you drop the tension wrench there. Okay, got pin 4, I think. Didn't want to move. Pin 3. There's our second spool, I think. Alright, let's just quickly gut this. Sorry about the camera angle. So, plug file's not quite gonna work. Okay, that's a empty drill pin. Okay, as expected, all standard pins in the key pins, that is. Get these out of here. Okay, standard pin 1, spool on pin 2, pin 3, standard on pin 4, and standards on pin 5 and 6. You can see that, guys. So those are the standard pins. The next thing for me to do is to package all this stuff up, send it back to UCOF, and then wait for the modified lock to come back. Alright, so it's a few weeks later and we've received the lock back, repinned for a new challenge. This is the key that came with it. It's UCOF 54. It's fitting on the key. 6 pins as before. Okay, pin side tension, clom hook. Just going to gently just touch all the pins and see if we get any little clicks. Challenge locks quite often start off very positively before they come and kick you in the face. Okay, a little bit of movement. Okay, that's got to a full set. A little kind of creak from pin 6 there. You can't find the binding pin. There it is, pin 1 I think. Just give that another push, not sure if it went all the way down. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, pin 6 again, giving us a second full set. Is that kind of creaking again as well? I suspect pin 6 is a kind of a gatekeeper, standard pin maybe. Quite sure where the counter-rotating pin is. Not pin 3. Let's try a slightly longer hook. Okay, that was pin 3 in the end. Slightly lazy counter rotation on it. Here's our third full set. Pin 1, pin 2, not sure, near the front anyway. Swap hooks again. So this is the point where I used to start thinking I was going round in rings. That's another false set. But it is actually worth continuing when you get into this cycle, because you have to set each spool in turn sometimes. Depends on the bitting. If they're all kind of roughly at the same height, as is the case here, you probably have to do most or all of them. Okay, that's pin 1 again. I've lost count how many false sets we've had now. Pin 3 is a faker. Keep thinking he's stood right up, but it doesn't move. That's pin 1 yet again. Pin 1, there we go. Finally, that pin 1 was very active. Alright, that's a bit of a long pick, but it's open. Okay, let's get this thing open again. Got the key, so use that for safety reasons. I can't get this off in one go. Least favourite aspect of block sport is getting circlips off. Okay, so look at our key pins. I don't know what you'd call that. You just had the top part machined off, just kind of narrowed that one as well. Yeah, I don't know what that's called. Okay, let's go for our driver pins. Okay, here's a spool on pin 1. Looks like a commercial spool. Come here, you. It's another one of those, and 2. It's a kind of homemade, almost a double spool, or a spool with a serrated part. It's a kind of double serration on pin 4. It's a standard pin on pin 5. And one of those kind of T-pins, are they called? I have to get the all these, the driver pins should be up the other way. So it's just easy to lay them out upside down. Standard springs. Okay, we've got threaded chambers on 1, 3, 4 and 5. Looks like there's a little bit of countersinking on 6 there and on 2. Yeah, quite subtle though, so that corresponds to these key pins, I would think. And the shell is just standard, there's no sign of intrusion at the bottom there. So there you go, it's picked and gutted UCOF 54, and thanks to UCOF for this, it's been really good fun. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.